How to use BlackHole app. So here's the app called BlackHole Splitter by basically by this developer. It has a lot of ratings, so don't confuse it with some other clones. So yeah, you can split long videos for smaller videos for social media apps. So when you just open up this app, you just click the button to whoops. So there's just there are a lot of annoying ads here. I'm just showing you like it is. But yeah, let's just try. So you can just go in here and then so basically here it is. You have videos, but then you need to basically enter URL of your video, and then is basically then it splits this video in 10 seconds clips. So then you can save or share or rename it. So for example, if I have some has a bit different set of controls. That's the fonts for force sensor. So this is, I just pasted my long video and then it's automatically splits them into like 10-second clips. And you just need to copy your URL and then just copy. This should be URL to video. Of course, you should only use your videos which you are allowed to use legally. And then this app, what it does is just automatically splits the video into like 10 small parts for 10 seconds. So yeah, that's just the idea.